I have an actual dilemma. She's hungry. She has eaten the crickets. Ugh. Now, I don't mind bug guts. But this worm, when I tell you this is an extra large worm, this is the worm that they use in movies. He fights back a little too strong. Oh, he's big, y'all. I'll have to get my daughter to come do this. All right. Oh, honey child. Do I give you the bloody part? Here. Oh, you gotta poop? Poop on the tray. Good job.
Ugh. That's disgusting.
I know. Like, this whole plate is juicy.
Ugh. I was just about to eat, so maybe I should.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm literally in the freaking kitchen. I was using my husband's fish fillet knife because surely he won't mind. I figured he'd want me to use the fish fillet knife instead of a kitchen knife.
Yeah.
Yeah. She's full. That's all she needed.